Ke Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya State Branch kalau pelong ya ke Hikai jingsumar ke bahkamat do ne ke first aid ke sngi lynter state headquarter Howell Road Laban hakani ke Hikai lawan lang kinong simbenta hakani ke Hikai kilong kinong Hikai school ki tour guide bar kinong Hikai jingi.
If I may ask the category to stop breathing for some second. Stop breathing. Can you feel anything? Your hand is also not moving. That person requires CPR. This is low please breathe. Clear? Okay, fine. Stand up. Now you have to make the category to wake up. You have done low listen feel. Now CPR. One near the face, one near the chest. Yeah, face like this. Here. Still recovering position, you are not allowed to sit. Chin up. Yes, go up. Yeah. Don't get it.
This other person has to hear, okay, how many she's done so that she'll be ready if she's tired, okay?
What sitting position? The part you always sitting like this. Don't take this one. Okay, this one. Okay. Should be safe. 30 minutes. In a second, Don't stop. Till 30. Don't stop. Don't stop. Just continue.
Started to clean the mouth. Person sitting near the chest will start measuring the CPR point to find out the CPR point.
I'm not putting in my finger right in because it's just a dummy, but when you do the actual person, you have to put it right in, okay? Because if you do it out here, it's not might get bigger.
Okay. On the lips. About 2 fingers.
Not on top of 2 fingers, above 2 fingers. Always remember, if you put on top of the finger, what will happen? This bone will get broken and person will die then and there. Okay. So now see the hand position. He locked his fingers. Other finger, one finger which is on top, he locked it, and this is the finger, the hand which he is giving CPR with, the palm where this place, the fingers are straight. Why straight? So that while giving CPR, if you give finger like this, it will scratch and put scratch marks or wound. It will get wound over the person. His elbows are straight. Elbows are not bad. His elbows are straight. Here, if you bend your elbow and if you sit far from the body, you need more energy. If you sit near and on top of the body, your energy, you can save your energy and you can give more CPR.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 18, 19.
Suppose he become tired now. As I said earlier, no? To keep it for the time factor, we keep it in 30. He become tired. He is just simply, she is moving towards the chest and he is moving towards the face. No need to go and circle the body. Clear? Now again, finger lock and she is on top of the body and start CPR.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Here, suppose the person starts breathing. Suppose the person starts breathing. As I said, now have you ever noticed that chest also was moving while giving CPR? That's the idea. Like this. This is okay. No, little down. Yeah. Just touching the eyebrow. Eyebrow is the baseline, yeah. This is everything is something but not this one. But it is okay. This one, no? This one, the baseline. This baseline. It is the back side. Good. Open your mouth. Body is lying back, right? Because he is not sitting on the hand. He is sitting on the thigh. You sit on top of the hand. You sit on top of the hand. Yes, like this. Much better. Now stand up, yeah.